Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be cleaning up as usual. I'm going to be giving you guys another cleaning motivation. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada and I do everything cleaning motivation, organization, vlogs, and a little bit of mommy lifestyle and everything. So this was how messy my house was looking before I got my magic on. So welcome. You feel free to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Yeah, so let's start cleaning. So I usually always just start off with my living room. I don't know why, but that's just, I kind of like, most days I start off with the less messier place to the to the messiest whatever it is. So I just tend to do that a whole lot. So I don't even know why. Then sometimes when I have the strength, like the strength, I start off with the maybe more messier and then go from there. And I also like to know you guys, like I've just been posting, but I would like to know your suggestions, like what type of video, what type of content do you guys want to see more on my channel? Cleaning motivation, organization, what is it called, like decorations, like kind of like house decor, mom lifestyle, vlogs. Yeah, let me know, hauls or whatever. Let me know what you guys prefer. So I always start off with, most times, like all these big beds that the vacuum can't really, of course you can't vacuum that because they're too big. I start off with this brush to kind of like move it out of the way, and it makes the place cleaner, and then I go ahead to vacuum. So after I vacuumed the living room, I realized my vacuum cleaner was dead, so I had to charge it up and then started cleaning up the kitchen area. And before I wash the dishes, I just go onto the dishwasher and take out all the other plates that are already clean, that have been there. Just clear it out and put them away, then start off with washing the new dirty dishes. So now I'm done with the dishes, and I'm using this cleaning thing that I got from the Dollar Tree. I already told you guys I love it. Like this thing works like magic, and I get most of my cleaning supplies from Dollar Tree. So I use that on the countertop and practically everything. Like it works magic. And if you guys have not seen my video on my kitchen makeover, the counter and everything, I already posted that video. Do go ahead and check on my channel. I'll also leave the link down below in the description box and everything, so you see how I transformed my kitchen counter to be this beautiful white kitchen counter and everything that I added on. Yeah, you definitely need to watch the video. So go watch it. Okay, I'll leave the link somewhere up there and also in the description box down below. The this little man always in my videos. Like, I've been looking at all my videos, he's everywhere, always all over the place, either asking for some cookie or asking for something. He just loves eating food. So now that my vacuum has charged up a bit, I am now going ahead to vacuum up the rest of the place that I didn't vacuum. And now we are in my room trying to clean up because it's a mess in here. And I just did my daughter's hair, so she's just still having her hair and everything. Mom life, right? I know. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I have a beauty channel where I post everything hair and makeup tutorial. If you don't know, I am a hairstylist and a makeup artist, so I post most of my hair and makeup tutorial, and you will definitely learn a whole lot from that channel. I always leave those channel, like my other channel, links down below, so you can always, you know, follow me on there, subscribe, and learn how to do your own hair and makeup. I practically teach everything, so mommies in the house who have girls, you know, you can do your girls hair and everything. So makeup, if you want to learn how to do your makeup, my channels are always down below. And I also have a food channel, Cook with Ada, so you can also follow that channel, subscribe, and of course, I, as usual, what I know how to do best, teach people how to do things. So I also cook on that channel, so that is why you guys don't see much cooking on here, because I decided to post anything food on my food channel. You can see how messy this room is because I did her hair here. I know I did her hair here, so yeah, it's a bit messy. Not a bit, anyway, it's messy. And she is helping me pick up as usual. So this is me after cleaning. This is how clean. Of course, the house is looking. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Okay, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. And also do let me know, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what video you prefer, which of my contents you actually prefer watching. So let me know. Yeah, of course, after this I'll go put the trash away and everything. So yeah.